Today's featured car of the day is a 1957 Chevy 210 done up with Bel Air trim during its restoration. And this one had a beautiful restoration done to it, a ground up. And I guess as they were doing it, they figured they'd add the Bel Air trim to make it look a little nicer. A little more gingerbread on it always helps. Unfortunately, at the auction, my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where I filmed it, the car did not sell. It bid to $58,000, but unfortunately for the seller, it did not sell. It had the 283 V8 engine with two-barrel carburetor rated at 185 horsepower and a two-speed power glide automatic transmission. They did a real nice job on the restoration inside and out, and even painting it the canyon coral with India ivory top on it. Unfortunately, it didn't even help it. 57 was the last year for the Tri-5s, 55, 6, and 7 Chevys. I included some pictures of the 57 versus the 58 Chevy to show you the difference. The car definitely changed considerably compared to how it was in the Tri-5 years. And if you make it to the end screen on this video, I included the 1958 Chevy video in its entirety. So if you're interested in watching it, that's where you'll see it at. Still was a neat car. It had a lot of nice touches on it. Even the 58. 57's that's a classic car, and it's always been known as a one of the classics of the of Chevy's past. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1957 Chevrolet 210 two-door sedan done up as a Bel Air with Bel Air trim that was a ground-up restoration. And I filmed it at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it bid to $58,000 but did not sell. But if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.